in the shadows where the old ghosts play. There's a sorrow need that won't fade away. Lost tales whisper through the night's creep. Never left to wonder, never to believe in the haunted hill where the banjo cries. In the haunted hill.
What is the point of getting up? My body aches. I'm already dead inside. Should I even bother getting up? I wonder what's on the fuck box.
A 90-year-old man accidentally ate half a litre of paint after mistaking it for yogurt. The old man is now dead. There have been multiple reports of missing people around the Dallas gas station near Huckleberry.
Meh. Boring. A glass of whiskey and back to bed.
Edward, are we going to the barn dance? Cotton Eye Joe wants to finger fuck that fat slag Sally.
Browjock, have you two harvested those watermelons like I asked? Otherwise, we will not be going to the barn dance.
No.
Brow Jack, come and have a look. This ain't quite right, is it? What should we do?
Just pretend we didn't see anything. Perhaps it is just a dead animal. You ain't seen nothing, Cotton Eye Joe.
I got a bad feeling about this, Brow Jack. Hey, let's hurry up so we can make it to the barn dance. Chris Travis will be singing tonight.
Enough chitter chatter. Back to work, you lazy slags.
Do re mi la fa sol la do si. Oh fuck, geez, my voice is kind of rusty. I won't be able to fuck any bitches if I sing off key.
Hey Chris, it's me Leonard. Would you like to come and play Atomic Heart on the Xbox with me?
Leonard bro, are you not coming to the barn dance?
Oh, I totally forgot it was tonight. I'll be right on my way, see you in an hour. Furthermore, I hope there will be some kissy in the air tonight.
Leonard's on his way to the barn dance.
I best get some gas. Better safe than sorry. Hello? Is anyone here?
You be that little boy from uptown. Look at what the cat dragged in.
What's the quickest way to the barn dance?
Take a right at Junction 13. It will save you an hour.
Thanks, buddy.
He's coming your way. Blue car. Scrawny fella looks like a wood rat.
This must be the shortcut. Oh no. What should I do? I need to get some help and my phone has no signal here. Hello? Is anyone here? Hello? Is anyone here? What the fuck is this? Please don't hurt me. Perhaps we can play out.
Yummy scully scully.
Meanwhile, at the Federal Bureau of Investigation located at 1 Justice Way, Dallas, postal code TX 75220. Guys, there have been lots of missing people near the Dallas gas station. I want you to look into this.
Who the fuck are you? I'm Special Agent Flatwell. I don't play it by the book.
Agent Flatwell, I am Special Agent Snail. We need to be en route. It's going to be a long night. Better grab a coffee. The rain was starting to pick up now. The air had that sweet midsummer night smell to it. I knew something was deeply wrong in hillbilly country. I had that gut feeling. God's name is that? Into what quagmire have we set foot into? Flatwell. Check this out. There's a car with the keys in the ignition. Something isn't right here. Let's check out that house nearby.
That's not abandoned. That's Martha Jones's place. She lives with that little disabled boy.
What disabled boy?
Agent Snail, just inbreeding. Boy was always a bit weird growing up.
This is some truly messed up shit.
I ain't seen nothing like this in my 40 years of service. Poor kid. He's one ugly motherfucking bastard. Oh, I found this birth report from the hospital. It says he only has one testicle and that it's black as coal. His head is filled with water, and his heart is the size of a peppercorn.
No wonder he was bullied at school. And that explains his desire to kill. Agent Flatwell, there's a barn dance tonight. This could be trouble. We should surveil the perimeter ASAP.
Snail, you need to go pee?
No, Flatwell. ASAP. It's an abbreviation. It means as soon as possible.
Agent Snail, Agent Flatwell, on a secret mission.
Chris Travis is my name. I cut lumber for townsfolk.
Well, this is shit. Where are all the chicks?
Chris told me there would be lots of girls.
Yeah? Chris told me the same. Plus we paid $10 for nothing. Cotton? Where is Wojak? And where are Leonard and Wojak? This is so strange.
I don't know. I just want to go finger fuck fat, Sally.
Want to come and see the strawberries, Sally? I'll show you in the field. It's quite pretty at this time of night.
Pa said I shouldn't go in the cornfields with strangers.
I'm no stranger, Sally. I'm Chris Travis. Your old folks sure have heard about me uptown.
Oh, okay. I'll meet you outside.
There you are, Leonard. Here. Wojak just called me. He is arriving now. I'll go and get him.
Oh no, there has been a murder in the cornfield, and there is a chainsaw?
Look, same as the picture. He just killed that poor farm girl.
Oh no, look. That little man in the orange coat is heading toward the killer. Watch my back, Flatwell. I'm going in.
I got your back, Agent Snail. Just another night in the Hillbilly Hills.
I always thought Wojak was a bit of a weirdo. It's actually better he's dead now. He was cramping my style. Happy birthday, Leonard, buddy. I cannot believe we have known each other for 16 years. That is half of our lives. Remember when we were kids, you would always help me.
Leonard, old friend. We got you a birthday present. Why don't you open it?
My name is Leonard. Swallows food, hope, struggle to war. His heart got the size of a peppercorn. Rotten and gangless, he had a single testicle. His black as coal and his head was full of water. A poor abandoned boy made fun of at school. Left to his own self like an animal. His parents skinned passers-by, wanted to fit in and walk the cornfields free. This dust past ghost, no sunset in Dallas. Oh Lord, Wojak was a rockin' one. He started this all with his ill brain. Pray thee, Lord, for better times, for a harvest on the maypole. These Puritan woes I cannot despair. in the haunted hills where the banjo cries. In the haunted hills.
Billy, where are you, brother?